Welcome back to the channel, guys. The DJI Neo has just turned up here. Let's see what this bad boy can do. And the lovely Helen is going to be my spotter today. So I'm going to be flying the Neo in full manual mode today with the goggles 3 and the FPV remote controller 3. Right, so full manual mode then, about 20 degrees of up tilt on the camera. Nice. That feels pretty nice. Right past the cat. Well, this is a really good indoor cruiser. Tell you what, this is pretty cool. To be able to do this with something DJI is really good, because obviously, you know, you can do this with you know, really small FPV stuff, but to be doing this with a DJI drone is pretty nuts. Really is pretty crazy. I'm chinking a few things here as well around the edge. So yeah, let's go out the window. Little roll. Didn't handle that too bad. Let's just scoot underneath the tree. Another little roll. I'll tell you what, it isn't actually that bad at all. My neighbours know what I'm doing. You know, people are going to say, oh, it hasn't got any power, but I mean, when you look at this, it's got plenty of power for what you want to do. It depends what you want to do with this. This is a thing. Whoa, end up in the sink. It's always going to be the one. Now, the thing with this drone, I've found that it hasn't actually got a turtle mode, which is crazy, a massive oversight. Right, let's try a bit more craziness then. Hey. Got plenty of power to get out of things like that. Oh, I'm having a blast with this thing. So you all saw how hard that fell. I think we've got a little bit of a dink on the back here. And there's a few other scuffs around here where I've just kind of whacked into things, but generally it seems pretty strong. But it's a good point to mention that we've actually got protectors for the AVATA 2, and we're going to be doing these for the Neo as well, because it's a very similar design. And these have actually turned out to be brilliant for protecting like the prop guards on these models. So basically the AVATA 2, if you don't know, is the bigger brother to the Neo. So there'll be a link to the Neo Acro flow protectors in the description of this video. Obviously you can also use these ones that come with the Neo, but they don't really offer any kind of side protection, and obviously they add a bit of weight as well. But the weight of these is insignificant because they have actually got a layer in the middle that's hollow, which allows a bit of springiness as well. Right, let's do some more flying. I'm absolutely loving this thing. Only thing is the battery takes a little while to charge up because I've only got one. I'll have to get hold of the multi-charger.
But I'm not ready to fly.
So I hope you enjoyed this one, guys. This is not a sponsored video by DJI or anything like that. I just wanted to try this out because it works with the Goggles 3 and the FPV3 remote that I've got for my AVATA 2. So if you've got those, I reckon this is just a cool toy to have. It's very, very lightweight. It's not going to damage much if you hit anything, and you can just take it loads of places that you wouldn't be able to fly the bigger AVATA 2. Anyway, guys, I might make some more videos on this. Let me know what you want to see in the comments down below, and don't forget, the bumpers will be coming soon for this. I think it really needs them because I've already bashed this kind of up quite a bit, and I mean, it hasn't broken, so that's one good thing, but the bumpers would really help. Catch you next time.